The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, I want to say this out there. To all of those persons that love to do the whole gun salute when time New Year's are coming or the Christmas or any holidays, you know, because you always hear these gunshots firing or persons saluting because them celebrating for somewhat of a holiday or the New Year's coming in, right? This is about a pastor and his wife, daughter that got shot because of the whole gun salute thing, right? And this female got shot just as the New Year start. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, like not long after the New Year start, this 15-year-old child has been shot in the forehead. The warhead of a bullet lodged in her forehead, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, this said to have happened in the parish that is known as St. James, that is of Jamaica, at a place that is known as Mount Salem, right in the churchyard of Mount Salem, the viewers and subscribers. You see what I said to you? Now, according to what we read, is that the girl said that she have a feeling like a bad vibes and so forth, you know, about the whole 2020 thing, and only to find out that the little girl went to the church, and after the whole watch night service and everything, the girl got shot because of the whole celebrating gunfire thing, right? You know, she was out in the yard after the whole service and shots fly from somewhere and lodge in the girl's forehead. Lick in the girl's forehead. Is what I said to you, which is the warhead of the bullet lick the girl in her forehead, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And this is really a bad thing. Is what I said to you. So for all of those persons, you see me, whether you like it or not, just cool off of the whole gunfire saluting thing, yo, because it is not a good thing. You see me? Now there's reports out there that the little girl did surgery and you know, it was successful. However, you don't know, say you have to just keep hope because these things, you know, it go already. So I said to you, yeah, she did surgery the 1st of January, right? So basically it's not long after the whole incident happened she did surgery, but still this is something that is bad. You get what I'm saying to you? Persons where fire shots for New Year's Eve and all them things, they need to stop it. They need to stop fire these shots and all these things. It is not a good practice. It is dangerous. You put people's lives at risk. Now, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I only wish the best for everyone, and really and truly, this is something sad to really and truly for take in right about now, you know. Right as the New Year start, a 15-year-old girl got shot and injured, right? A shot catcher in her head. You see me? And that happened right in the in the churchyard, right? Right as the New Year start. You see me? Right in the churchyard of a place that is known as Mount Salem in St. James of Jamaica. You see? Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me there, so to keep you up to date and posted, make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?